Okay, so let's get right into it. And our first module is going to be Google Classroom, accessing Classroom from the Google suite of apps. Okay, so to access Google Classroom, it's become much more accessible than in previous years. As with the rest of the Google suite of apps, all that you need to do is to go right up here to what I colloquially refer to as the box of boxes. If you hover your mouse over it, Google's alternate text is Google Apps. So if we just go ahead and click on that, my Google Classroom appears right here. Now, this layout of apps isn't uniform for absolutely everybody's Google account. So if you don't find it here, you can just scroll down and maybe you'll find it a little bit lower down. If you don't find it lower down, then you're going to have to click on this More from Google, search from it there, and then add it to your list of apps. So that's it. That's how to access Google Classroom. Thank you for watching this video e-learning course. If you find it helpful, please do like, share, and hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel. It really helps things to grow. Thank you very much.